Hey all, welcome to Cybertech, and in today's video I will show you how to install Android Studio into your PC or laptop. This video is for those who are interested in developing Android applications from scratch but don't know from where to start. For them, I would recommend to go through Android Studio because installation is quite easy. Dumping your whole application, Android application is very easy, and you can also preview UI based into your PC or else in your mobile phone also. So before going to installation, I would like to give you a small disclaimer that you have to install JDK package into your PC or laptop. So let's start with the installation process. In order to install, we need to type Android Studio into your browser. So we'll get a link over there, and on there we can directly click on download Android Studio. We have to accept license agreement and just start with the download process. So after downloading, we have to go through the folder where the setup file has been downloaded. So we'll click on setup file. So we can see that installation has been started. So maybe we'll minimize everything. Now open the folder. So nothing as of now. We'll just click on accept button. Okay. Here we see the dialog box. We click on next, and in here we see the choose components. This is not that much crucial, so we just keep it as default. Next we'll go with the next option. Click on next. Here we see the default path where the software will be installed. We click on next. We just click on install. Okay, the installation has been started. We'll wait till it shows as completed. It's gonna take some time as based on your PC or laptop. Show is completed. We'll click on next. We have next finish. Okay, we have to ignore these settings. We'll just click on OK. Okay, the Android Studio is being started. We'll just click on don't send option because we don't recommend it. Okay, this is the welcome screen. We'll click on next. We'll click on standard setting next. Light UI next. I don't recommend all this, and we'll just click on finish. And yeah, we have to wait till it completes all these things. So basically it is downloading all the components that is required for developing an Android application. So it's gonna take some time. Till then you can have some tea break. It depends on your PC experience, I mean to say your PC performance or laptop performance. Here installation is almost done. Just wait. Okay, it's been done, so we'll click on finish, and this is the Android Studio main window, like how it looks after installation. So this is how it's gonna install. If you like my video, just tell me in the comment section how it was, and please click on like button. If you want me to give more about Android Studio and creating Android application, give a demonstration on it, I'll just do if I get 200 likes in this video. That's it. Thank you.